You're welcome back to the AM Club right here on MX24. If you're just joining in, you made the right choice. You're wondering why I'm standing today. Today I have amazing things to, discuss with you here on the show. So if you're just joining in, stay right here with me as we get into Lifestyle Daily. Of course, this is the Lifestyle Daily segment of the AM Club show. My name is Miriam Uduak-Menta. Before we get into our conversation this morning, guys, by the way, I need my Jibu water here. Because what I'm about to do this morning, I need water to save my life. I put something up on my status the other day that the kind of trainers I need this year, they have to hold hammers and sticks after me because, my own done too much. But anyway, before we get into our conversation with Jibu Water, saying refresh has never been easier. Jibu Water provides clean, healthy water you can trust as your source, as your go-to source for drinking and cooking, with options of our innovative 20-liter bottles and also 18.9-liter bottles. Your dispensers will have a breath of new life as our clean, healthy, hygienic Jibu water flows through them for your consumption. Now, whether you need a cool drink to quench your thirst or fresh cooking water to make your meals taste its best, Jibu water is the answer to your clean water needs. Now, call us today on 020-9845-817. That's 020-9845-817. Or visit our website at www.jibuco.com/GH. That's www.jibuco.com/GH for more information about our brand. Jibu Water, a better life. Now, your money, what did I tell you guys this year? I told you that we're going to make sure we make reasonable, sensible financial choices. And Telecel has a way to help us make that happen. Your money deserves the safest home. With Telecel Cash, you are protected every step of the way. No risk, no worries, no long stories, just peace of mind. Dial *110# or download the Telecel Play app today for safe, secure transaction. Telecel Cash, the safer choice. Send it, keke. Just send it. Nobody's going to block it in the air. Nobody's going to access your account on your birthday. Nobody's going to do any of that stuff, right? Your money is safe with Telecel Cash. Well, today we're discussing physical activity and fitness. Explains how I'm looking, guys. Give them long shots. Let them see I'm ready. Okay, long shots. All right. Enjoy. Yes. So this morning, wait. So joining me this morning for this conversation is Stephen A.J. Buffo. He's a coach, or you call him Coach Nana.
Coach Nana.
Coach Nana.
Yeah.
Okay. He's a professional fitness coach. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are we doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. I'm going to say something I haven't said in a very, 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 very long time on the show. Like, how do you manage being a coach and being fine and being all of this at the gym? How do you manage? I was saying them earlier that I feel abused. Because early this morning in the studio, why'd you bring me? You're very fit.
Thank you.
You're very. I'm looking at you with my.
I try.
You try. How long have you been a coach?
For 10 years now.
10 years.
Yes.
What got you into that space? Like.
Okay, so let's say sometimes when you're out there, you see people, wearing clothes. You always see them looking fit.
Yeah.
The way they walk, the way they run. You wish to be like them. It's crazy because you just see them and they do it like so effortlessly. So I was like, okay, why don't I give it a try? Because I also had some health issues. I was battling with asthma. So I was like, okay, let me go online. Let me check certain things on how to cure them. So I realized, okay, when I do constant of aerobics and fitness, it might suppress it. And if doing it well, it might just go. And
then you started?
Yeah, and I'm done.
Yeah.
I don't feel that asthma attack anymore.
Oh!
Yeah.
You're joking?
I'm serious.
You mean fitness cured your...
Yeah.
Explain it properly. I think I must have missed something.
It has to do with your heart.
Yeah.
So you have to do a lot of cardio.
Yes.
So you have to know your limits whilst going forward with cardio. So as you are progressing with cardio, it gets to a point where your heart tells you can go more. So as you're going, it gets to a point where you realize, okay, you can do more than an hour without any attack. And you'll be there. You realize you can run for like 30 minutes straight, no attack. Then you realize, okay, it's moving gradually. But you don't assume that, it's gone.
It's gone.
Keep going until you go for checkups. I do regular checkups. Every 3 months, I have to do checkup.
Wow.
Oh, yes, you have to. So it gets to a point when you go to the hospital, they tell you, you are very okay. When they use the very, you're on point.
You're on point.
Yeah.
And it's all out of working out.
It's
I have something else to add, though, So I used to have like, so I battle anxiety disorders, right?
Okay.
So my mood swings into depression easily, and it's not. It doesn't have to be anybody doing anything to me.
Yes.
It's just my mind working some type of
Yes.
way. And so I started working out in 2019.
Okay.
It wasn't consistent, but it was like then 2023 I took it a bit more seriously. Trust me, my mood swings, I can't actually tell when, like, honestly, my mood swings, they're a bit more stable,
Okay.
like
before.
very, very stable
Than before.
than before. And if I stay away from working out for a very long time, I know how my body and my brain feels. So working out, I think, also has mental benefits
A lot.
and emotional benefits.
Because I sometimes advise my clients, sometimes when you're at home, in the office, anywhere you are, sometimes you battle a lot of stress.
Yeah,
A lot of depression, bad news, a lot of things.
yeah,
Just go out, do some workout. Go to the gym, find a fitness center, anywhere. Just take a walk, do some stretches, do some skipping, do something. You'll be fine. But most importantly,
yeah.
get your 7 to 8 hours of sleep.
Yes, we
necessary.
talked about sleep here yesterday, guys. Sleep has become Charlie guys sleep.
7 to 8 hours, you need
Yesterday, okay, so yesterday I slept at 12 again, and woke up at 4 again.
to. That's not healthy.
That's 4. See, we're getting there. Trust me, we're getting there. We're getting to
Yeah.
that place where, because I used to have 2 hours sleep.
Oh, wow.
2025, 2 hours
That will,
sleep.
that,
That's
will,
all.
that will stress you.
Bro.
Yeah, you'll be depressed.
Yes.
Trust me.
Yes. So that's part of the stress I dealt with in 2025.
Yeah.
I slept for 2 hours. Sometimes I get home at 3 and I'm sleeping 4 or 5. I'm up and I'm back to work and I'm doing all this talk. But guys, we're doing better this year. We're adding
Yeah.
workout to the sleep.
We're adding it.
Whatever you do, sleep, Abby.
Yes.
Okay. What are the simple exercises people can do at home without gym equipment?
Okay, so at home, first of all, you have to have a goal. What do I want to achieve? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to improve, let's say, more fitness or energy? Or maybe there's a pain in your body, you want to take it off. So then you get a small space in your home. You just need some few things, just your skipping rope, your yoga mat. If possible, you can get a dumbbell.
A dumbbell, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you can early morning start with maybe 5 minutes of walk around the house or anywhere you find convenient. You do some 2 minutes or 3 minutes of skip. Then you take your dumbbells and you do some, movements.
Yeah.
Stretches, just touching your toes, squats, some planks,
Little thing.
yeah, something simple. Because consistency always beats intensity. You don't need to do much. Small, and you build.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't need to do much. Just
I
small.
agree.
Yeah.
I totally agree. So, okay, so we're going to actually do some working out. Today you see me. Today you will see me. Today you will see me working out. We are very fit too. Even coach said it earlier when he came.
Oh,
He
yes,
said
yes.
I'm very fit. Now laziness, no. Laziness, no. Now for how much physical activity do does an average adult really need?
Okay, so for a beginner, I'll say 3 to 4 times in a week.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can choose either morning or evening, depending
the
on your
mornings.
routine. Morning is
like
good.
the morning.
So early morning, you take, let's say, minimum should be 10 minutes, but max should be like 30 minutes due to work.
Yeah.
So let's say I would suggest you take like 10 to 15 minutes of your time. Just do something intensive, a little, but more flexible and simple.
Yeah.
You're good.
Yeah. Now, when it comes to people who are like actually very busy.
Very busy. So I always recommend for the office people,
Yes.
let's say you have to get to work very early. When you get to work, during working activities, at least 30 to 60 minutes, just get up. Do some stretches. You can do some calf raises. You can touch your toes. You can do some swings. You can do some arm raises. Just to relieve some stress for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Then you can sit back.
Yeah, sit
Or you can just go to the stairs, just climb, or descend, just climb.
Yeah.
Stretch your legs.
So you just go up and down the
Yes,
stairs.
or your chair. You can just do some chair squats. You can sit, come up, sit, just come up. Nothing stressful. But just be mobile. Just
Yeah.
move.
I see.
Yeah, just move. It helps a lot. As I said,
Yeah.
a little builds.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't need to do something so intensive.
Now, I remember when I started experiencing my back
Yeah.
pain. I was told not to do too much of walking. And it wasn't because I didn't need it. I think it was because the pain was a bit intense.
No, I think they should have told you to do more stretches.
Stretches, okay.
Because back pain, you just have to do stretches. And most of the time, when you're sitting in a chair, some people, they slouch in a chair.
Yes.
But you have to sit upright.
Yeah.
Okay? So when you sit upright, you can do some neck exercises when you're tense.
Yeah.
You can do some shoulders. Then you can do some back. You have a lot of back. That's why I said you can just come up and just twist like this.
Yeah.
You'll be fine.
Okay.
Trust me.
Now, realistic fitness goals. What are
Okay.
some realistic fitness goals? Some people will set goals that in the next, say, 12 months, I want to shoot your chest,
So
stomach flat, my bum out, and all of that stuff. What are some realistic
for
fitness
me,
goals you could
my advice for my clients and my friends, everyone, I always tell them, most importantly, your heart. Build a heart. When you have a strong heart, you can do anything. Secondly, you have to build your lower body.
Okay.
That holds you.
Okay.
So that's why you have to do more of walks. If you can do jogging, go for it.
Good to go.
But most importantly, your heart and your legs.
Okay.
Build them.
Build them.
That's your goal.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
my goal for this year.
Yeah,
My
your
heart
heart.
and my legs.
Your legs. Just build
People,
them.
you see the kind of legs I'm bringing into this year.
Yeah.
This is the time that we get into the physicals. So,
Yeah.
guys, I'm going to pass my tab to the team, and then we're going to get very physical. What are you going to help us do this morning?
Okay, so today we're going to try 3 parts of the body. That's the arms connected to the shoulder,
Okay.
then our abs, then our legs.
Okay, so let's, where are we starting from?
So we are starting with the arms connected to the shoulder. So it's more of a full body workout.
Okay.
So first of all, you lift it up like this. 1,
Oh.
2, just like this. 3, just move like this, and just move like this.
Oh, so you bring it down.
Yeah. So it's
Okay.
here, here. That's all. Then the second one, still on the shoulders,
Yeah.
but connected to your back a little. You move 1, 2, 3. Bring it back here, here, then here, here. Okay.
Okay,
So
alright.
that's for the shoulder.
Okay.
For the abs, we
Yes.
have something we call crunches.
Yeah.
So arms here, you lock it up here, bring it back, lock it up here, bring it back. Lock it up here, bring it back. You're doing so well. Yes.
Okay.
So the other one for crunches,
Yes.
you can just stay like this, bring it forward, down, bring it forward, down. So you realize that you are crunching your abs.
Yes.
Then for the legs, squats.
Yeah.
You cannot do without a squat day.
I cannot do
You cannot do without a squat day. So you squat,
Shit, me see me
you
out.
come up. So you have to open your legs. Good. Now let's go again. Good. See? No back pain.
Yeah, no back pain actually.
Good. See?
Momsin, you see me shy.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
So you
Okay.
can do this at home,
Yes.
at your comfort
You
zone.
don't need equipment or
No, no,
anything
no,
of
no,
that
no,
sort.
no.
Okay, let's start. I want to show this boys as like I'm a real G. So-
okay.
well, usually, so this. What is this supposed to achieve? The first one you took us through there.
To firm your shoulders and your
Okay.
arms. You know, some people have saggy arms sometimes.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, with the fat and all that. So
Yeah.
firms your arms and your shoulders as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So we have, you can go 1, 2, 3. So you tap on the heel. You can
Okay.
tap on your heel like this. The same time you can raise it up.
Okay.
You can raise your knee. Just raise, raise. Then we go to the back. 1, 2.
wait. Let's start that
Okay.
one again.
So here, stretch forward. So elbows back. Then you bring it back. Then you bring it here. Bring it back. Good. So it's like a motion thing.
Yeah.
So you find your rhythm with the good music.
Yeah.
Then
You go, why
Good.
the gym songs?
nice.
What else?
Okay, so we come to the crunches now.
Yes. Yes.
So first of all, you open your legs,
Yeah.
arms at the back of your neck. So you just crunch it on the right, on the left. So just like this. Nice. Good.
This one I'm good. I'm good because I've been working on it.
Oh, wow. Okay, okay.
Okay.
So we are going to
Yeah.
let's try this one. There's a new one I want to try. Side here.
Oh.
side here. So for the ribs here, good. Try it. Good. See? So now we come to the squats.
Yeah.
So we just go down slowly and up. So the basic rule about squats is when you're going down, some people are heavy.
Yeah.
So we always tell people that when you're going down for squats, go slow.
Okay.
But coming up, you have to come up fast
Okay.
so that you don't hit your knees.
Yeah.
So you go slow, come up. Good. And come up. You see? So slow, come up. You're not in the race with anybody.
Yeah.
Take your time,
Okay.
slow. So you feel in your thighs, your knees, your ankles, everywhere. Just come up. Let's do some 5. Let's go. 5. Let's go. 4. Nice. Let's go. 3. 2. Last one. Finish it. Good. Nice. So we'll do some split lunges.
Okay.
So here. So now, the focus is not here.
Okay.
It's here. You have to just bend the one behind you. Just bend it down,
Okay.
and automatically the front will go down. Good. So you come up. So you stay down, then you come up. Down, then you come. So your hands can be by your side or on your waist.
Okay. Yeah. I do
So-
the waist.
1, good. 2, and we do the last one. 3, good. So you put the leg here, take it back.
Okay.
So let's try the other leg. Let's go. 1, bring it up. 2, bring it up. And 3. Nice. Now good.
Okay.
Try this. So for the office,
Yeah.
you know, as I was saying, the chair,
Yes.
squats, you just sit on a chair. Sit,
So this is a regular office chair.
office chair, just sit and just come up. Breathe like, let's say, 5 seconds. Sit, come up. 5 seconds, sit. Just a routine.
Right.
So sometimes when you sit for long,
Yeah.
calf raises, you can just like this, raise. Good. It helps with the circulation of blood beneath the legs.
Oh.
Yeah. Just raise. Because when you sit for long, the whole place is stiff. You get it? It's
Yeah.
very stiff. So when you stretch it, you realize that, okay, there's this pain relief. I can now move.
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Some people doing this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
But
also part of it.
It's very part. But you can do this. Just do this.
The boys in the building, the boys in the office. That's what you people are going to be doing. Okay.
Then we
So that
can do
your
the
blood
touch your
can circulate.
toes. Just touch and come up like this. Good. So that back pain will just go.
Oh, then we are healing that back pain, right?
Oh yes, you are
Guys,
healing it.
Let's heal it right now.
Let's try. Let's go 1, down. Let's go. 2, 3. We have 2 more. Let's finish the last one. Good. Nice. So let's do with the stretching this way. You realize that you heard a crack. Yeah. You feel a crack? Good. Good. Nice.
Nice.
Very good.
No, this is a huge relief because I haven't stepped in the gym in a while because my back be killing me, bro. But guys, so back to the benefits of some of these
Yes.
workouts. So as an individual, I want to be able to work out throughout the week. Is it safe to say that Monday to Friday I'm working out and it's good for my health?
Okay, so when you want to work out during the week, you know the muscle, you need to stress the muscle to be able to get results.
Yeah.
At the same time, you need to give it time to, rejuvenate. So you can just schedule a time or a timetable for yourself. Let's say Monday, Tuesday, you are doing this kind of drill. Then you rest on Wednesday. You go Thursday. Then you rest on Friday and go Saturday. Then you rest on the Sunday. Then you repeat it again. So at that time, you are giving yourself that time to, relax, to rejuvenate, to sleep well, everything. So anytime you are coming to work out again, you feel refreshed.
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't have to do straight.
Yes.
No, that will break you down.
That'll break you.
Yeah.
So that one.
You will
also-
feel tired.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, how many hours do you have to work out in one
As a
session?
beginner, I'll say if you are starting, just do 30 minutes. It's okay for you.
Yeah, 30 minutes.
If you are not too busy, you can go 45.
Okay.
But if you're that busy, just 30 minutes is fine. Yeah.
Diet. How does
Diet.
that
Okay,
help?
so for my diet, I do more veggies and protein
Okay.
and low carbs.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Carbs,
others.
carbs is good for energy.
Okay.
For energy, but you don't really need it so much. Like you need veggies and protein. But I drink a lot of water as well.
A lot of water.
Yeah.
Wow. So this morning we are inculcating fitness into our 2026 lifestyle. And I want you to take this very seriously. I told you earlier that he was mentioning to us that his asthma, has totally just disappeared just by working out. I have given the testimony this morning about my own mental health being adjusted properly when I started working out. And so it's very important for us to be able to inculcate working out. It doesn't have to be anything rigorous, something simple for yourself, just so you're able to live a very healthy life. Because not moving, because when I went to the hospital for my back, one of the things they told me was like this long sitting.
Yeah.
You sit for too long.
Too long really affects your back.
Yes.
From your spine to your lower back.
Yeah.
It really affects you.
Yes. So you need to be able to move around a lot. How do we connect with you? Someone wants to make you their personal trainer because you train very well and you're very kind with your training. You're not so like somebody that I know that wants to kill me at some point.
All right, so you always find me at the Decathlon Junction Mall.
Okay.
Yeah, I train every evening.
Okay.
Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday morning. But on the weekdays in the evening.
Okay.
From 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m.
Okay.
But on a Saturday morning, it's 7 a.m. sharp to 9 p.m. 9 a.m. Sorry.
So you're part of the team that does the Decathlon, the Junction Mall aerobics.
Yes.
So you can also find. So on Saturday, I'm going to be there.
You have to.
The last Saturday of the month, right?
Yes, the last Saturday.
I've been promising you for the past 2 years of my life to be there, but this time, now that I've seen the train, I'm going to come.
I'm advising everyone to join because the last Saturday of the month, the reason why it's fun is because we have like 5-6 trainers on board. Yeah. Everyone is just giving you different drills.
Absolutely.
Your body's on fire.
By the time you leave there, you burnt all the fat.
It's more like the whole month. Everything is just gone.
You burnt fat out of your destiny.
You need to just stress the muscle.
Yeah.
Come drain. Yeah. Drain everything in your body. Yeah. You're good.
Awesome.
And you start the whole month again.
Awesome.
You come. Yeah.
But you personally train people as well, right?
Yes.
How do we contact you?
My number is 055 24 620 79.
Okay. You have a social media page we can follow?
Yes. But I prefer the WhatsApp. WhatsApp
is better for you.
Yeah, it's good.
Alrighty. So thank you so much for joining us this morning. Coach Nana. Coach Nana has done a great job. I think every week, once a week, right? We just bring him back here once a week for that session. I think it would really be great. It would also, just bring out that part of all of us. My viewers, I'm telling you, we're learning and growing together here on the show. This is not just a morning show, it's a movement. And we're also taking our health very, very seriously. And so this year, you're going to see. You have it coming. You have it coming, bro. You have it coming. Stay right here with us. My name is Miriam Uduakumenta. We have more coming up. Throwback Thursday it is. And this morning we have Opanka joining us. I know you want to know what's up with him, what he's been up to, what he's done in the past. All of that is going to be coming up here on the show. We'll be right back after this.